how to change background color in Readymag. So in Readymag, just go ahead and choose your project that you want to edit for. Let's create a new one in our case. That way we start from scratch, and you should be able to find your background in your layout. So the layouts is found in the bottom left over here, inside the layers, I mean. So in layers, you could either press on that or press on Q. You should see your backgrounds. All you have to do is just left click on that, and that's pretty much how you can see the color changer. So just choose whichever color you want for your background. Let's say you want cyan over here, a darker color of blue, but just control whichever color you want. You could add a picture as well for your background, but that's not a color. But once you do that, just go ahead and yeah, leave it as that. So the color of your background will stay just as that. But that's pretty much how you change your background color in Readymag. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.